Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue work on this project, and in this video we'll create a review section, and also we connect swiper and we'll create stars for our cards. Let's get started. Okay, open our code and create new component. Let's correct this mistake. And also correct folder name. Okay, and import our component on our page. We can using text section. Okay, and create title. But we need first to create div, because we have two elements here and we need to using flex properties. Title will be each second. Also add a class. In the last lesson we'll create a reusable class. We can using this class. And create models with styles. Connect our styles. Okay. Let's look at the window. Everything works, but we also need to using our container. We can create a new element and add our code inside this element. We need to add class container. Okay. And now we can connect our slider. First we need installation this slider. And try to using this code. But we also need button. Okay, let's try. Using this import. Okay, everything works, and now we can create review cards and button for our sliders. First we need to add space between swiper and our header in this section. We can add class, we can using header, and using this class we'll add margin. Okay, and now we can start at work on this card. We can create card class for our cards, and also we need to create top elements for our cards. And here we can create title. Okay, and also here will be stars, but now we don't have stars. We can create first content our card. Create a paragraph tag, and add class for these elements. Add class for title, and add class for our text. Okay, let's look at the window. Okay, it's work, and now we can start to create styles for our card. First we create background. We need light, and also we need to create padding. Okay, and now we can, but I forgot about a border. We also need using border. We can using RGB color because we need opacity border. Okay, we need solid and RGB. We can remove this property, and we need okay, and now we need to add space between our top card and our content card, and also we need to add styles for our text. Turn on develop mode. and get our properties. Okay, and also add margin between header card and content card. And stylish our content. Okay, everything looks nice, but we also need to create start. Let's install this library. Okay, and connect our stars using this component. And also we need to import our stars. Okay, let's also add class, because we need to add space between our stars. Add display flex and column gap. Seven pixel. Okay, and also we need to create margin bottom. Add styles or add class for our section. We can using main. And add styles. Margin bottom. Okay. And let's copy this card. Okay, let's connect work on this section, and now we need to change space between our cards. And also we need to add max width for our cards. And change size these stars. Okay, and now we we'll create a button. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now it looks okay, and we can create our button. We need to don't load these arrows, but we also can copy. Okay, here create our button. Create left and create right. Okay, and also we need to add styles for our button. Styles. We can using buttons class. Okay, and let's stylish this element. First we add display flags, but we also need display flags here. And justify content space between. Okay, and I forgot about alien items. Okay, and now we need to add space between these arrows. We can using column gap. And we need to remove border. But not here. We need to remove border in our button. Okay, and also we need to remove background. And we need to create some hover effect. And add transition. Okay, and also we need to change cursor, and we can using global method, because I think all button must be cursor pointer. Okay. Okay, today we created review section, and thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video please subscribe on the channel, and see you in the next video.